It was 7th grade. I was actually in an after-school program at the time, and I got the call from my mom, and she said I got accepted, and I was really excited. I actually used to and still do Boy Scouts that's sponsored by one of the IPA faculty. So that's how I knew about IPA, because I always used to come here on Fridays. We applied my 7th grade year, and I got in, and I was really excited because I knew it was a really big opportunity. I only heard good things about the school.
We definitely hesitated because we do not have the financial backing for a private school in general, but we tried and prayed and hoped that somehow we would be able to at least get him through that first year. So in 8th grade, we were able to get a small scholarship to come, and from day one, he met 2 other students that were new, and he's still, from 8th grade to 12th grade, still best friends with those 2 other students.
So the biggest difference I'd say is probably student life. It's helped me really grow. I think the environment is more friendly, I'd say, because it's such a small school and the teachers just really want to see you succeed. Last year I was in AP Bio, and it was a really tough class. Like the first semester I was just out of it.
I went up to him and had a chat about what the problem was, whether he didn't understand the subject or he wasn't interested in studying. And it came out to be that he was too nervous to be wrong. Then we had a discussion about what's the worst that happens if you're wrong in school.
And she gave me all the advice I needed, and I studied, I did all the work. I wasn't behind that second semester. I passed the AP exam with flying colors.
He did really well, and he caught up, and he went from getting a 27% in AP Bio to being the 4th highest in class.
That was when I noticed that this is what I needed. It was just a tight-knit community. I had a lot of friends who were congratulating me, talking to me about stuff. It was the Mexico trip too, and that's only the type of thing that's offered at this kind of school.
We always knew it was in him. We always knew it was a part of him, but he just didn't have that extra. You know, I don't know how to explain it. Like, we have it at home, but when we're not home and we're in a different environment, he didn't have that balance for a long time. And coming here, he has had that balance.
The generosity is overwhelming because without it, he wouldn't be here. It's good to see him with all his friends get together and just have a good high school life. Without the scholarships, yeah, this wouldn't be possible. So definitely grateful for all the help that we get.
I just want to prove that I'm here for a reason. I don't want to take the opportunity for granted.